7228 Golden Falcon. There are 2 dogs in the garage, so I won't be going in there. And the sellers are home. This is the biggest door I've ever seen in my life. Okay, so you have tile at the entry, and the walls are darker tan. So you have this basically an office. So we replaced that with 2.5-inch forward blinds. Try to keep count. So we're at window 1. Though here we have the blinds that we like. Okay, so 1. And hi. It's okay if I go? Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye. So we already have pavers in place, plus the patio cover, which isn't even necessary because this is the east side of the house. Gets the morning sun. We have the correct blinds behind these shades. Probably cut off those extra blinds at the bottom. I would say repaint throughout, but that's definitely a Jenny call. There's just a lot of patchy areas that require touch up. Need a shower rod in here. This is great. It's one piece, and probably remove those. So there's not a lot of maintenance for grout. Laminate upstairs. Vinyl in the laundry. Replace that blind. So there might be 2 blinds total for the house, and then maybe some rice paper at the 2 small windows by the front door. And that may be it.